Hello YouTube, it's Ray Gaming here, bringing you guys another video on your computer. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up Windows 7 for gaming and web browsing. This will require you to download only one item, actually two softwares, not items, and you don't really need to be that smart with your computer. It's just follow along my steps and I'll show you. First off, I'm going to show you guys the main way to do this by going under your start menu, control panel. My computer's a bit slow today. System and security. Go to system. Alright, now once you get to here, it's going to show you everything about your computer. Go to advanced system settings. Once you get here, make sure you're on advanced and go to settings. And you want to go to adjust for best performance and then hit apply. Or you can do custom and pick what you want through here. That's one of the main things you need to do. This will more than likely make your computer look a bit older in Windows style, but trust me, it's not, so you might have to get used to it. So let's say if I were to put on that best performance, this may look like I got Windows 95, but it's also the same. Going into your start menu, type in %temp %. This is going to go into your temporary files, basically just stuff that's using up CPU and RAM that you don't even need. So go ahead and go over all of these files, if this would let me. Right click and delete it. Some of these files will stay on here, so if you get a message saying skip, just spam skip, because it's basically all the files that it needs to keep. It deleted 518 megabytes of stuff. Go to your recycling bin, empty the recycling bin, and click yes. Another way, if you notice, whenever you're starting up your computer, it's very slow. Go into your start menu, type in msconfig, once you've gotten up here, go to boot, and you can see, actually no, startup, so my bad. Whenever you get to startup, it's going to show you every single thing that starts up whenever you're using your computer. So let's just like Optimizer Pro, that's actually a virus that I don't know why it's on here. I'll have to get rid of that. So virus programs, keep it on here, like Power ISO, I don't need that. Apple, nope. And click apply. Now whenever you load up your computer, it should be faster. Just keep in mind that most of these Microsoft products or software, just keep them checked just in case, because it might crash something. Java, you don't need that checked. Real Player, of course, you don't need it checked. Programs like Xfire that I use for gaming and Skype and all that, that slows it down a lot. So after unchecking what you need and clicking apply, you can go ahead and click OK. You can also check your boot, your general, your services, your tools. I'm not going to go into detail about these. You can go into safe boot mode. That's booting up the main things that you need, but I don't touch it, and get off that. Another way you can do this is going into your start menu again, control panel, appearance personalization, going to your window color. How do I do this again? I really forget how to do this, and we'll do it later. Anyway, along with the screensaver, if you don't have a screensaver, it won't use that much CPU, so I just keep that off. With your window color, I'm gonna try and no, that's not how you do it. I don't remember. And my phone's going off. I'm not sure what that is either. Basically, just with your appearance, you want to leave it alone. I have a Ducati background, and I don't think this uses up that much, but for your safety, if you want your computer to run better, I would just have like a blank background. Another cool thing that I have that you may have noticed right here is Advanced System Care. It has a performance monitor. Now, when your computer, if your CPU and RAM overflows and your computer's tripping out, you don't really know what's going on. Some people think it's just viruses. The cool thing about this is when dropping this down, you can click clean RAM. What this will do, it'll clean up any memory that's not needed, so it gives it best performance. So it's pretty cool. One more thing is Razer Cortex. I've mentioned this in my videos before. Basically what it is it boosts your game. You can also boost your system with it. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that right here, if it would open. And I'm not sure if you can see my mouse, because sometimes it likes to blink and you don't see it that much. So just try to focus on where this mouse is going, and I'll try my best to show you, but if you can't see it, that's great. You won't need to make an account with this. It is free. There's no activation to an email, so you can just put in some fake email. It doesn't really matter. Right now it's scanning for games off of Steam or third-party based games that you download from the internet. So as you can see, I got Gary's Mod, No More Room in Hell, Left 4 Dead 2, Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Phantom, Unturned, and Warface. They just updated this so it looks different, but these are all the games you can boost. Going into boost system right here, you can do manual boost, automatic boost, custom. It's pretty cool. Safari, yeah, I need to boost that. That's probably it. You got a defrag system right here, so you can defrag your games. They have an FPS, kind of cool. And you can go ahead and just mess with this if you know what you're doing. Oh yeah, I do something. So that's basically it, guys. If you need any help with anything, let me know. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.